In this video, Baum Folder is introducing the Century Series Feed, Gather, Fold, and Stack system. This system operates as one machine controlled from the 7-inch diagonal touchscreen located on the Baum 20 IPF, or Independent Pile Feeder. You can load up to 5,000 sheets of paper onto the Baum 20 IPF per run. From the touchscreen, you can perform multiple machine functions and machine monitoring. Before you start the process, you would first set the amount of sheets to be gathered on the touchscreen and then hit Start. The sheets are sent to the gatherer to be collected at the rate you preset and would then enter the Baum heavy-duty folder. You can have your folder set up to perform any standard fold up to 8 sheets folded at one time. The folded sheets would exit onto our 2-tier stacking unit to complete the process. And thank you for checking out the Baum Folder Century Series video.